Hello, I'm Twinkle, an incident management engineer here at the AWS office in Seattle. Today, I'm going to show you how to keep your Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Linux instances updated with the latest patches and security updates. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure that you already have an EC2 instance running with the Linux operating system. Also make sure that you are connected to the instance either through SSH, EC2 Instance Connect, or Session Manager, a capability of AWS Systems Manager. In this video, I'll be using SSH, but the commands are the same no matter how you connect. We'll walk through the process for both Amazon Linux 2 and Amazon Linux 2023 because they use different package managers. First, open the AWS Management Console. At the top of the page, confirm that you are in the correct AWS region where your instance is running. Then navigate to the Amazon EC2 console. In the navigation pane, choose Instances and then select the instance that you want to update. Choose Connect. On the Connect to Instance screen, select the SSH Client tab. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to connect to your instance. After you connect, you'll see a command prompt for your EC2 instance. Before we install updates, we must determine version of Amazon Linux that's running. Run this command. If the version is Amazon Linux 2, then you'll be using the yum package manager. If the version is Amazon Linux 2023, then you'll be using the DNF package manager. In this video, I'll demonstrate both. Starting with Amazon Linux 2, let's check for available updates. Run this command. You might be prompted for confirmation. If so, then enter yes. The system will now check for available updates. This might take a few minutes depending on your network connection and repository status. The command's output shows a list of packages that you can update. If no updates are available, then no list of packages appear. Next, let's check for security-specific updates. Run this command. It might take a few moments for the system to retrieve security advisory information. The command's output shows a list of security advisories and related packages. If nothing appears, then there is no pending security updates at this time. To install only security-related updates, run this command. The command's output shows a list of packages that will be updated. Review the list and then, when prompted, enter yes to continue. This process can take several minutes depending on the number of updates. During this time, packages are downloaded and installed. Don't close your terminal window when the updates are running. Some updates, such as kernel updates, might require you to restart your instance. To view the security updates that are already installed, run the following command. The command's output shows a list of security patches that have already been applied. You can use this information to verify compliance or troubleshoot vulnerabilities. If you are troubleshooting a specific vulnerability, then you might have an advisory ID. To check whether the advisory is installed, run this command and include the advisory ID. If an output appears, then the patch is installed. If nothing appears, the patch might not be installed. Some AWS services log packages to specific versions. To check if packages are logged, run this command. If the command's output lists packages, then they won't update automatically. You might need to review the logs before you apply updates. Now, let's look at Amazon Linux 2023. Let's first check for updates. Run this command. It might take a few minutes for the system to contact the repositories. The command's output shows a list of available updates. Amazon Linux 2023 uses version repositories. To view the release version that you are using, run this command. The output shows your current release version. To view available release versions, Run this command. The output shows all supported versions you can upgrade to. Review the list before you choose a target version. To check updates for a specific version, run this command and include the version number. To install security updates for a specific version, run this command and include the version number. Review the list of packages and then, when prompted, enter yes. It can take several minutes for the system to download and install updates. Keep your terminal open until the download and installation complete. To upgrade to a newer Amazon Linux 2023 release, run this command and include the version number. Review the changes and confirm. This process might take longer than standard updates. In some cases, you might need to restart your instance afterward. To restart the instance, run this command. Your SSH session will disconnect. Wait a few minutes for the instance to restart. Then, use SSH to reconnect to the instance. By default, Amazon Linux 2023 AMIs are locked to repository versions. Also, some AWS services such as Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service and AWS Elastic Beanstalk might restrict package updates. Always test updates in a non-production environment first. Before you apply major updates, create an Amazon machine image backup of your instance. If your Linux version has reached its end of life, then you might need to migrate to a newer version to continue to receive security updates. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.